Magandang buhay sa lahat, napanood nyo na ba guys, ang H-Waiting Season 4, with Liza Soberano. Eric Nam is a main producer. H-Waiting Altogether, Season 4 players. First player, Kevin of the Boys. Second player, Nancy McDoney. Third player, Jinjin of Astro. Fourth player, Jacob of the Boys. And the last player, very special guest, from the Philippines, our queen, Liza Soberano. They play as all one team. Grabe ang saya ng H-Waiting show. Super enjoy panoorin, it's a game show. Makikita mo sa kanilang lahat, napaka-talented nila, sa games na ito, si Kevin ang guesser. At sobrang saya, ng team up nila, with two pretty girls, Liza, and Nancy. Nakakatuwa ang ating queen, kahit sino ang makaka-work niya, she did the best talaga, at super galing niya makiban. Ang cute nila pareho, ni Nancy, grabe bawat eksena, mapapangiti ka na lang talaga, sa umpisa, hanggang dulo, ng show. At sa wakas, succeed, nanalo sila sa game show na ito, H-Waiting Season 4. Perfect ang show, mag-i-enjoy kayo, pag napanood nyo ito guys. Sa Dive Studio, makikita natin, na super nag-enjoy, ang ating queen, Liza Soberano. Fans' reaction, Liza and Nancy, are like twins, Miss Universe faces, super, they are so pretty, they could really pass, as sister. Nancy, and Liza in one frame, and did an ending fairy. This episode is so fun. I can't wait, for the next one. What a fun show. Love the cast, especially Liza, and Nancy. Liza, curling Nancy's hair, so cute. Liza, is stunning. There's a lot of comments, na nakakataba ng puso, para sa ating Queen Liza. Hanggang sa muli, salamat sa suporta.
Yeah.